Hey, I'm Greg, and this sprayer changed the way I handle my yard. Between the weeds, bugs, and all the weekend to-dos on a property like this, the Tomahawk 5-gallon battery sprayer has made life a whole lot easier. I used to drag around one of those pump sprayers, and by the time I was halfway done, my arm was toast. This sprayer, no pumping, just charge it, strap in, and spray. It's got serious power. I can hit the eaves, trees, fence lines, no problem. The tank holds enough that I don't have to stop and refill halfway through. I use it for pest control, weed killer, even washing off the porch. It comes with different nozzles, and I can dial in the spray pressure depending on what I'm doing. The battery lasts long enough with plenty of juice to finish my whole property in one go. Plus, it's got good padded straps and a comfortable cushion that doesn't beat up your shoulders or back. And here's what sealed the deal for me. It comes with a 2-year warranty and real customer support from Tomahawk. I had a quick question when I first got it, and a real person picked up the phone and walked me through it in minutes. That kind of service is hard to find these days. If you're tired of letting bugs and bad tools steal your time, this sprayer is your answer. Get your yard back and get back to what matters.